Product Critique presents. Today we take a close look at what's being marketed as the best 7-1/4 inch corded 15A circular saw. But what we actually have in hand is a CC 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. That discrepancy matters, so we'll unpack exactly what this saw is, what it can and can't do, and whether it lives up, at least partly, to that bold claim. Let's start with build and design. The CC 6-inch mini chainsaw is lightweight and compact. It is cordless, powered by battery packs, in many versions 221 volts 2000 mAh batteries, making it highly portable. It features a hardened chain, and some models include an auto-oiler system which helps maintain chain lubrication during use. These are good design features for lighter tasks like pruning, small wood cutting, and yard work. On performance, the motor in one version is rated at around 900 watts. The chain speed is modest, sufficient for basic work but far from the speed and cutting depth of a large corded 7-1/4 inch circular saw. The CC is built for smaller tasks, cutting branches and logs up to a few inches thick. It will not substitute for a full-size circular saw in heavy cabinetry, framing, or ripping large boards. Battery and runtime are key for a cordless tool. With two 2000 mAh batteries included in many versions, you might expect decent runtime for light duty. Users should factor in battery recharge time, and realize that power output may drop as battery charge falls or under heavy load. Also, cordless units tend to be less consistent than corded 15A tools in terms of continuous power. Safety and ease of use. The CC comes with safety locks to prevent accidental starts, a chain guard, and features like auto lubrication in some SKUs. Being lighter weight helps reduce fatigue. But smaller chainsaws have their limitations: kickback risk, slower throughput, and possibly faster wear if pushed beyond design. Now, comparing to what a 7-1/4 inch corded 15A circular saw typically is. Large blade, high depth of cut, continuous power with no batteries, suited for serious wood cutting, framing, trim, and construction work. The CC 6-inch mini chainsaw does not measure up in those respects. It is neither corded, nor has a large circular blade, nor is it rated for rugged heavy work. It depends on what you expect. If your expectations are for a portable tool for light pruning and occasional wood cutting, then it works well. If you expected a full-on heavy circular saw, you will be disappointed. In conclusion, the CC 6-inch mini chainsaw is a solid tool in its class of cordless mini chainsaws. It's great for light outdoor jobs, small logs, trimming, and yard work. But it does not replace a 7-1/4 inch corded 15A circular saw in power, depth, or capacity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next review.